Bridge is one of the most rewarding games ever invented because it's not about luck. It's about decisions. You and a partner solve problems together: what to bid, how to plan the play, how to defend, and how to communicate with limited information. And the best part is this: the deeper you go, the more satisfying it becomes. Bridge doesn't get used up, it opens up. If bridge has ever looked intimidating from the outside, that's normal. The hard part isn't memorizing rules. The hard part is simply getting started in the right order. This is lesson 1 of a complete beginner course. We'll build the foundations step by step, always practical, always clear, and always connected to real play. Stay with the sequence, and very quickly the game will stop feeling mysterious and start feeling logical. All right, let's start with the kind of bridge most people play seriously today: duplicate bridge. Most organized bridge is played as duplicate. That means many different tables play the same deals, literally the same 52 cards arranged into the same 4 hands. So your result isn't compared only to the people at your table, it's compared to other pairs who have the same cards. That's why duplicate is not a casino game. Good decisions matter: bidding, play, and defense, because everyone else is facing the same problem. Bridge is 4 players. The seats are labeled North, East, South, West. North-South are partners. East-West are partners. Your partner sits across from you. The other pair are your opponents. In each suit, there are 13 cards. We group them into 2 simple categories. First, the honor cards: Ace, King, Queen, Jack, and 10. Second, the spot cards: 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. All 13 cards in a suit have a rank, a pecking order. The ace is the highest ranking card. Then come the king, the queen, the jack, and the 10, and then it continues downward. The more high-ranking cards you have, the stronger your hand tends to be. And the more honor cards you hold, the more power your hand usually has. Deal has 3 phases. First, the auction, also called bidding. Second, the play of the hand, where tricks are taken. Third, the result, especially in duplicate, where that result gets compared. Today, we focus on Phase 1 and the very start of Phase 2, because that's where the contract is created and the hand begins. Here's a key term you'll see everywhere: the dealer. The dealer is simply the player who makes the first call in the auction. If the board says dealer south, south speaks first. Then bidding continues clockwise around the table. Before anyone plays a card, bridge asks a practical question: what are we trying to do on this deal? You and your partner have 26 cards together, but you can't see each other's hands. And once the play begins, you don't get to stop and negotiate a plan. So, before the first card is played, bridge uses an auction: bidding. Bidding does 4 things. First, it sets the target. The contract says how many tricks your side is committing to win. Second, it picks the strain. Are you playing in a suit as trump or in no trump? Third, it decides who declares. One player becomes the declarer, and the partner's hand goes down as dummy. And fourth, it's competitive. Both sides are bidding, and sometimes you push the opponents higher than they can handle. So bidding isn't small talk. It's how you and your partner agree on a goal, fast, using a shared language. On your turn in the auction, you make a call. The first player who makes a bid, instead of passing, is called the opener. Everyone else is responding to that opening bid. For now, we use two calls, bid or pass. A bid has two parts, a level from 1 to 7 and a suit or no trump. The auction ends in one of two ways. If everyone passes immediately, 4 passes, the hand is passed out. No one plays it. If someone bids, the auction ends when there are 3 passes in a row. The last bid becomes the final contract. Bridge is a trick-taking game. A trick is one round of 4 cards, 1 card from each player. One player leads a card. Then each other player plays 1 card. After 4 cards are played, someone wins that trick. Repeat until all 13 tricks are played. Some contracts are played with a trump suit. If you can't follow the suit led, you may play a trump, and any trump beats any non-trump. Others are played in no trump. In no trump, the highest card in the suit led wins the trick. Clubs and diamonds are the minor suits. Hearts and spades are the major suits. Bidding ends with a final contract. Now let's define what that contract actually means, because this is the engine of the whole game. The contract tells you 2 things: the target number of tricks your side is committing to win, and whether you'll play with a trump suit or in no trump. Here's the rule that makes bidding make sense. The first 6 tricks are assumed. That's called the book. So the level tells you how many tricks above 6 you're committing to take. Level 1 means 6 plus 1 equals 7 tricks. Level 2 means 8 tricks. Level 3 means 9 tricks. Level 4 means 10 tricks. Level 5 means 11 tricks. Level 6 means 12 tricks. Level 7 means 13 tricks. Examples. 1 heart means we'll try to win at least 7 tricks with hearts as trump. 3 no trump means we'll try to win at least 9 tricks with no trump suit. 4 spades means we'll try to win at least 10 tricks with spades as trump. In the auction, every new bid must be higher than the previous bid. To make that possible, Bridge uses a ranking called the bidding ladder. Suit order in bidding is clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades, and no trump is higher than any suit. Example. After 1 heart, you can bid 1 spade because spades rank higher than hearts. But if you want to bid diamonds, which are lower, you must go up a level, 2 diamonds. Once the auction ends, roles become fixed. The side that won the final contract becomes the declaring side. The player on that side who first bid the final suit, or no trump, becomes the declarer. Declarer's partner becomes the dummy. The other 2 players are the defenders. Now, a detail that beginners must get right. The opening lead happens first. The defender to declarer's left makes the opening lead to trick 1. After that opening lead, dummy puts the hand down face up and declarer plays both hands. Let's connect everything with one simple auction. Dealer, south. South, 1 spade. West, pass. North, 2 spades. East, pass. South, pass. Pass. Final contract is 2 spades. That means spades are trump and the target is 8 tricks. Declarer is the first player on that side who bids spades. Then the defender to declarer's left makes the opening lead. After the opening lead, dummy comes down and the play begins. In the practice video, you'll drill exactly these mechanics until they're automatic. Dealer, auction ending, what a contract means, the bidding ladder, and who is declarer, dummy, and on opening lead. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And give the video a like if you want more lessons like this.